Good morning, children. I am Sayada, Maths CRT, KGBV Bhuja, Srikakulam. Today, I would like to explain about second chapter, linear equations in one variable. In this lesson, we have to learn introduction, equations and expressions, linear equations in one variable, solving linear equations with numbers on one side, solving linear equations with variables on both sides, solving equations reducible to linear equations, applications of linear equations. Introduction. For example, you have three chocolates. You have three chocolates, and there are total 8 chocolates are in your home. Total 8 chocolates are in your home. Remaining chocolates are with your younger sister. How many chocolates are there with your little sister? Its answer is very simple. Can you tell me a proper method by which you can prove how many chocolates are there with your sister? Let us assume your sister has X number of chocolates and you have 3 chocolates, and there are total 8 chocolates in your home. So your sister has X chocolates and you have 3 chocolates. X plus 3 equal to total 8 chocolates in your home. So X plus 3 equal to 8. This is called an equation. This is called an equation. In this equation, X plus 3 is called an expression. And in this equation, X plus 3 is in LHS, means left hand side, and 8 is in RHS, means right hand side. By solving this equation, x equal to 8 minus 3, that equal to 5. This was very simple example. You could have very easily calculated in your mind, but there has to be a method. Sometimes situations are complicated. Such complicated problems, we can easily find out the value of x by solving an equation. For example, Harsha and Siri are playing. Harsha tells Siri, I think of a number. If I double it and take 7 away, I get 35. Can you tell the number that I thought of? Solution. Let the number x. Let the number be x. By doubling it, we get 2x. By doubling it, we get 2x. Next, 7 was taken away. That is, 7 was subtracted from 2x. After subtraction, the number is 2x minus 7. But according to Harsha, it is equal to 35. So 2x minus 7 equal to 35. This is an equation. In this equation, 2x minus 7 is an expression, and 2x minus 7 is in LHS and 35 is in RHS. By solving the equation, we get x value 21. After I will explain that how to solve this. Now let us discuss expressions and equations. Expression is a mathematical phrase with numbers, variables and operators. Example, x plus 3. Here x is variable, plus is an operator and 3 is number. Next, 2x minus 7. Here 2 and 7 are numbers or constants. X is variable, minus is an operator. Next, 5x square. Here x is variable and 5 is number. Next one, a square plus 2b plus c. Here a, b and c are variables and 2 is number, plus is an operator. Here numbers or constants have fixed value. Variables are denoted by alphabets. Okay. Next, equation. Equation is a statement of equality of two expressions. Equality of two expressions. Example, 2x minus 7 equal to 35. 5x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 9. In this equation, 5x plus 3 is an expression and 2x plus 9 is an expression. And 7x equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 8. These are all examples of equation. Any equation, LHS has to be equal to RHS at any point of time. Let us discuss about linear equation. What is linear equation? Okay, I will tell you. If the degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. What is degree? Degree is nothing but highest power of variable. Degree is nothing but highest power of variable. For example, let us see. Example 1. 2x minus 7 equal to 35. Here variable is x. Power of x is 1. That is degree. Degree is 1. So, given equation is linear equation. Given equation is linear equation. Let us see one more example. 2x plus 2y equal to 48. Here variables x and y. In this expression, two terms are there. First term 2x. So power of x equal to 1. And second term 2y, in 2y power of y equal to also 1. So highest power is 1. So the degree of in this equation is 1. So it is also a linear equation. One more example. X square plus y equal to 2. Here variables x and y. Expression is x square plus y. In this expression, first term x square. So power of x equal to 2. Second term y. So power of y equal to 1. Highest power is 2. So degree is 2. So it is not a linear equation because here degree is 2. Degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. But here degree equal to 2, so it is not a linear equation. Let us discuss about linear equation in one variable or simple equation. Listen carefully. If a linear equation has only one variable, then it is called linear equation in one variable. If a linear equation has only one variable, then it is called linear equation in one variable. Or it is also called simple equation. It is also called simple equation. Let us see an example. 2x minus 7 equal to 35. In this equation, 2x minus 7 is an expression. We know already. In this expression, x is a variable. How many variables are there? Number of variables are 1. And power of x, that is called degree. So degree is 1. Here degree is 1 and number of variables are also 1. So given equation is a linear equation in one variable, or given equation is a simple equation. Second example. Let us see. 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. In this equation, both sides having variable is x and power of x is 1. So number of variables 1 and degree is also 1. So it is also a simple equation or linear equation in one variable. Understand? Number of variables 1, degree also 1. Then the equation is called linear equation in one variable. Let us see one more example. Third example. 2x plus 2y equal to 48. Here, observe carefully. Number of variables 2. What are they? X and Y. And power of x 1. Observe. Power of y is also 1. So degree is 1. Number of variables 2. Degree is 1. So it is not a linear equation in one variable, or it is not a simple equation. Let us discuss about solving simple equation having the variable on one side. Before solving an equation, we note that when we transpose terms, plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus quantity, minus quantity becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes divided by quantity. The division quantity becomes multiplication quantity. See the example. Example 1. Solve the equation 3y plus 39 equal to 8. Given equation 3y plus 39 equal to 8. Plus 39 transposing to RHS, it will change negative quantity. So 3y equal to 8 minus 39. So 3y equal to minus 31. Here 3y is in LHS. 3y means y is multiplied by 3. When we transpose multiplication to RHS, it will change division. So y equal to minus 31 by 3. Therefore, the solution of 3y plus 39 equal to 8. Therefore, the solution of the equation 3y plus 39 equal to 8 is y equal to minus 31 by 3. Let us check it is right or wrong. LHS. What is in LHS? 3y plus 39. So 3y plus 39 equal to, we substitute y value in expression 3y plus 39. So 3 into minus 31 by 3 plus 39. Cancel 3. That equal to minus 31 plus 39. That equal to 8. That equal to RHS. We know any equation LHS has to be equal to RHS. So solution is right. Another example. Solve 7 by 4 minus p equal to 11. Given equation is 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11. Transpose 7 by 4 to RHS, it will change negative minus 7 by 4. So minus p equal to 11 minus 7 by 4 minus P is equal to, in RHS, 4 is LCM. So 4 into 11, 4 11s are 44 minus 7. So minus P is equal to 44 minus 7, 37 by 4. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get P value, that equal to minus 37 by 4. The solution of given equation 7 by 4 minus P equal to 11 is minus 37 by 4. Let us check. LHS. LHS equal to 7 by 4 minus P. 7 by 4 minus, what is P value? Minus 37 by 4. We substitute P value in this expression. 7 by 4 minus into minus plus 37 by 4. Here observe, in these two fractions 4 is common. These are like fractions. So LCM is 4. So numerators are, we are adding numerators. 7 plus 37. That equal to 44 by 4. That equal to 11. It is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So solution is right. Okay? Understand? Exercise 2.1. First one. Solve the following equations. First one, 6m equal to 12. 6m equal to 12. We transpose 6 to RHS. It will change division because in LHS 6m means 6 into m. Here multiplication transposing to RHS, it will change division. So m equal to 12 by 6. Therefore m equal to 2. Check. LHS. What is LHS? LHS equal to 6m. What is m value? m equal to 2. So 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. That equal to RHS. So solution is right. Next, sixth problem. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. N divided by 7 is equal to minus 3. Here we observe that in LHS, N is divided by 7. So division is transposing to RHS. It will change what? It will change multiplication. So n is equal to minus 3 into 7. That equal to minus 3 7s are 21. Check whether it is right or wrong. LHS. LHS equal to n by 7. That equal to minus 21 by 7. We substitute n value in this expression. Minus 21 by 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are. That equal to minus 3. That equal to RHS. So solution is right. Next, 10th one. 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. Transposing 13 to RHS, it will change negative. Plus 13 transposing to RHS, minus 13. It will change minus 13. So minus 6n is equal to 7 minus 13. Minus 6n is equal to 7 minus 13. How much? Minus 6. So n equal to, here observe, in LHS minus 6n, that means minus 6 into n. Multiplication is transposing to RHS, it will change division. So minus 6 is transposed to RHS, it will change divided by minus 6. So n is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 6. Therefore n is equal to 1. Check whether it is right or wrong. LHS. LHS is equal to 13 minus 6n. That equal to 13 minus 6 into 1. That equal to 13 minus 6 equal to 7. It is equal to RHS. So our solution is right. Next one, 11th problem. 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Given equation. Once again, repeat it. 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Minus 51 transposing to RHS, it will change plus 51. So 200y is equal to 49 plus 51. 49 plus 51, how much? 100. So 200y equal to 100. Here we observe again 200y, that means y is multiplied by 200. So multiplication is transposing to RHS, it will change division. So y is equal to 100 divided by 200. So 100 1 ja, 100 2 ja. We will get 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. Let us check. LHS. LHS equal to 200y minus 51. That equal to 200 into y value. How much? 1 by 2. 200 into 1 by 2 minus 51. 2 1 ja 200. 100 ja 200. So 100 minus 51. That equal to 49. It is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So our solution is right. Okay? Understand? Next one. 14th problem. Let us see. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. Transposing 5 by 2. Transposing plus 5 by 2. To RHS, it will change minus 5 by 2. So 8x is equal to 13 minus 5 by 2. In RHS, observe. Here 2 is denominator, so LCM is 2. So 2 into 13, 2 13 ja 26. 26 minus 5. So 26 minus 5 by 2. 8x equal to 26 minus 5 by 2, that equal to 21 by 2. In LHS, we observe again 8x means 8 into x. So multiplication is transposed into RHS, it will change division. So 8 is transposed to RHS, it will change 1 by 8. Therefore, x equal to 21 by 2 into 1 by 8. That equal to, when we multiply two fractions, we multiply numerators by denominators. 21 into 1, 21 by product of denominators 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16. Product of numerators 21 into 1, 21 by product of denominators 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16. So solution of the equation 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13 is how much? X equal to 21 by 16. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. Check LHS. What is LHS? 8x plus 5 by 2. Here we substitute x value 21 by 6 in this expression. So 8 into 21 by 16 plus 5 by 2. So 8 1s are 8 2s are. So numerator 21 by denominator 2 plus 5 by 2. Here we observe denominators are equal, so we add numerators. So 21 plus 5 by 2, that equal to 26 by 2. 2 1s are 2 13s are, that equal to 13. It is equal to RHS. What is RHS? Observe. RHS is in 13. 13 is in RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So solution 21 by 16 is right answer. Next one. 16th one. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. Observe, 3 and 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Okay. So we converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. So x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7. 7 by 2. Here in LHS plus 4 by 3. Transposing to RHS, it will change minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. We observe the denominators 2 and 3. So LCM is 2 3s are 6. So 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 minus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8 by 6. That equal to 13 by 6. The solution of given equation is 13 by 6. Check. LHS is equal to x plus 4 by 3. What is x value? 13 by 6. So 13 by 6 plus 4 by 3. Here the denominators are 6 and 3. So LCM is 6. So numerators 13 plus 3 2s are 6. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. 13 plus 8 by 6. That equal to 21 by 6. So we cancel. We divide by both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. So 7 by 2. That equal to 3 and 1 by 2. When we convert into mixed fraction, it is 3. It is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. That equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So solution is right. Children, write down the assignment. After completing this session, everybody should do this assignment. Okay? Thank you.